NQ's being like shit this morning. It is just not wanting to play around. I think I'm still believing it is a spooling. We should not come all the way back in this range anyways. 1 minute chart. This fair value got past the hold in my opinion. I need to see it be supported. So we can tap into there is not a reason why NQ is playing like Dookie. That's why I put my limit all the way up here, and then I'll leave a runner on. There we go. This honestly I'd like to act as a breakaway gap. There we go. We should get our first peak. Oh, it remained. Yeah, it's because of 10 a.m. news. That's probably why we're playing like Dookie. But we should at least take that fucking high. There is no way. There is no way. We come up and barely top it. That's funny. That's fucking hilarious. And it's aligned with that 5 minute. So honestly, I might push it up. Possibly, my god. I could probably move to break even though. So we'll just put it at break even. We get stopped out. We get stopped out. You see, I'm up 1,300. This should be no brainer. We should immediately not be seeing this price action here. It's 950, so we'll find out within the next 30 seconds or so. Price spooling, take it out, hit that PT, please. Actually, probably gonna take the 2 off here. I'm not gonna leave a runner going for this. I don't really think we're gonna get up here with how we're looking. I do think this high is pretty good. If I was on micros, I would probably take off. I'm probably gonna drag again. It's 950. We should start seeing something here. Shouldn't start to go take. There we go. There should we go. I don't know what I made on the day because I actually lost a little bit. But this is me trading on my on another 100K, 104,000. I lost my first one. Still right, but I had too tight of a stop loss because I thought my immediate objective was this high, just based on how ES is looking. Yeah, look at that. Look at that reaction. I'm so happy I took my 2 off. I was straight up bullish. I traded 8:30 a.m. and then I don't know what the fuck we're doing right now. This is nasty. I still like these highs. Like I'm liking these. Just how we're moving. Like these are SMT'd. So I didn't expect this to come down here whatsoever. I did expect this to at least come to this right here, this order block on the 1 hour, which we do. And then if we go to 5 minute, there's sell side liquidity we take. So we get a bit of a reaction off of that. We get a pretty strong reaction. I took this breaker, but I took it market. I marketed everything in here. So the sweet spot would be this, but I'm not looking for price to come down here at all. This is balanced price range, so I didn't think we'd even fucking come in here. This is all balanced to me, so this is nasty. I probably would just turn your charts off until I took my target early. I was gonna hold on for this. I wanted to see if I can get that high, but whatever. But I lost I pyramided into this one. I took one here, or I took one here. As soon as this candle got above, I already knew we were going to these highs. And then my stop, I took another one, and then my stop on both of them was at the low of this right here. So I got stopped for, I don't know, maybe like $500 on that one. Not a bad loss. But, and then I was like, it's 9:45, so price spooling, because 950 is about to come around, and then we fucking, once we take out this low, I am not looking forward to, I don't think we needed to take it out again, if you want to be honest with me, but we did. So we took that low out again and tap into the breaker once more, and I just got a better entry. And then I honestly could have held on to these two and probably made money, but I don't know. I didn't like how well we're doing, because this at least gave me a good stop. I put it right here. And then where's my targeting? At least 2R, pretty much 2R. but I didn't really see it. Like, but yeah, I tried to enter in this area, but I didn't think it would get there. So I'm gonna tape read 10 a.m. I'm gonna see what 10 a.m. does. So that's basically like that's like 1K on the day because I did train a PA too. Oh man, I don't really know why we traded back down to this low though. That's kind of concerning. That's price spoiling, which kind of pisses me off. But immediately once we got this push, I was chilling. Because I didn't enter on this. I exited on this candle, re-entered on this one. I don't know. ES has already taken this high. That's why I was like, I didn't like it. That's why I wasn't getting greedy as shit. Actually, yeah. I hate this wick. Man, it sucks. I targeted that fair value gap on the 5 minute. So there's the little trade for you. There's the realistic stop loss. It was not a 2R, unfortunately. It would have been like a 9R, but I'm not leaving a contract on for this shitty ass price action. It's nasty. Oh no, this looks like it could get faded. Should be a high frequency trading algorithm. Let's pull it up. Breaker right here. Let's see. 955. We slam down. Yeah, we get that movement. Damn. So if we're reacting like this and we're consolidating, but let me see what ES is doing. ES is still moving higher. But we do break here. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Ooh, look at that 15-second. I might pyramid myself in. We tap that breaker. That's a beautiful reaction. I don't have a bias to sell short though, so unfortunately I'm not taking shorts. I can't reason why we should be taking shorts, but you know, these look. I mean, if you did want to take shorts, my God. But I don't think we need to today, at least. I'm not very short biased. We could, but not really caring too much about that. So. Yeah, we do have ICT as highs, but I need to see some drastic. This is just fucking spooling again. For 10 a.m. should be pretty delineating. And it's also news, so 10 a.m. news. So we could easily spike back up, which is what I'm thinking might happen. I really don't think we need to go lower again. Really weird morning, I'm not even gonna lie, because 8:30 I traded this, I bought here in this fair value gap right there, and then traded to these relative equal highs on the 15 minute. That was bullish. I stated that last night. I am liking where we're going. I think it's a possible turning point. So I'm like, all right, and the price is obviously like if you have these levels on your chart, price is respecting it. Like this is the fair value gap. We're just we filled it completely. So once we leave it, I'm not anticipating us to come back down into it if we do that, and that's not very bullish. But yeah, look at that, it's gonna fail. This is all just shit price spoiling, to be honest with you all. This is not a valid breaker yet. This is, if we expand above this, I might pyramid another one. Actually, I'm not going to pyramid. I'm going to wait till 10 a.m. I forget we have 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. news is so fucking crazy sometimes. Take out liquidity again. I'm expecting this to fail though, so. Because, I mean, I'm bullish as fuck. I like this. I should have held a contract on, but whatever. I'm not mad about that because my fucking stop loss was. I might break you. I put it right below this. I guess I would have had one on still. But I think 10 a.m. might power through and take this high. And then possibly we might be able to see these highs today. I like where we're at, to be honest. So. But that's 2 wins, 1 loss. Not even really a loss. That was just me fucking dragon gripping my stop loss because the spread on these contracts are pretty crazy right now. Like one fucking mini is like, dude, that's like 1,000. Like, my God, I didn't realize I was risking 1,000. My shit. I haven't lost this count yet, so I'm like, damn, that's unfortunate. That's the first loss I've taken on this 100K. I've never taken 100K evals because I think they're fucking low, full of shit, and I don't like them. And I'm so happy this is going to be my last one, but now I'm waiting for Apex to email me back because I just requested more money. So let's see if they'll fucking pay me today. Probably not, knowing their ass. Max deposit takes them so long. It's ridiculous. I'm very curious to see what this 10 a.m. candle is going to do that. I don't really see us not going and taking these. I think this has been my draw since last night. I did a whole analysis last night. We do have a tie. We don't. I don't think we need to come back down here. This is bearish or bullish as fuck. So I'm liking this. Liking this a lot. But I don't know. I'm not holding through 10 a.m. news at all because 10 a.m. news is this shit. So I got my piece. I'm fine with that. And I still had almost pretty much a 2R. So with that being said, though, I would still be holding on for this if I was on the mini contract, which I'm not taking minis anymore. I'm sizing up. So see that 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. honestly should run us up. That's what I'm hoping. I don't see why we wouldn't run up. But this is our news candle. Yeah, there we go. I don't give a fuck how much I'd be up right now, to be honest. That's kind of made me a little booty hurt, but I don't really like where ES and NQ are sitting at right now. ES might actually SMT everything today, but I like what we did on the daily, though. Just looking at the daily. Like, literally, daily told me a lot as well on both of these charts, because ES was a little shittier, but NQ went down into its daily fair value gap. No, henceforth, no displacement. We made no gaps of doing this. And this is a clean market maker buy model. Market maker selling and buy. So we go to the 4 hour. So like you don't even have to be bullish today, in my opinion. We come back down and we hit this wick. Just grading that. We tap into this wick, which is also a rejection block. And our range is this high. And we have all of this is stacked here. I'm not sold we're going down fully yet. I am very bearish in the coming months, though. Just anticipating that because fall season always has a low. Spring high, fall low. It's not as clear as that all the time, but I am wanting it to realistically run all this again and then start its decline going into October. Be my preferred because markets don't really reverse like this once you've done them enough. They don't just straight down unless it's a really strong retracement. We always take some form. We leave one, go down, and then we come back up, then take that, and then possibly go back down. This was AIDS, but whatever. 4 hour, but my 1 hour told me a lot as well. These were SMT going to the afternoon. The morning, well, not really, this is on NQ, but we closed above this. These are SMT'd again in the morning. Take liquidity, SMT, order block, entry in the order block would be fucking nice. And then 9:30 trades down. Notice there's a volume imbalance here. Look what price does when it's in there. Nice little volume imbalance that we respect. And then you go down to a 5 minute. We take out all this sell side liquidity with another SMT. Keep in mind that's 3 SMTs going in. And then again, if you're a confirmation trader, we get the change in the state on the 5 minute. So then that was mine. Change in the state on the 5, 1 minute, I'm going down, and then I'm waiting for my breaker. I took another type of entry that I do, which is just change in the state on the 1 minute, which is what we rebalance to, and this balanced price range. That's why we just wick into it. This right here, I would view this as institutional order flow entry, Joe. I bet there's a 15-second gap in there as well. Yeah, like this gap, it's kind of hard to anticipate, but this would be institutional order flow entry, Joe, where your stop would be below this gap. That's why my stop was there. And then I took mine off here. I'm happy with that. I don't really care. That's everyone's shitting their pants right now because 10 a.m. news. But depending on how we do. But this is clean. I mean, I like what we did today. I like what we did a lot. Nasty NQ. My God, is NQ nasty. ES is way stronger today. But then I can't reason why we would just wake up to that at all. NQ's just being dumb. But this is why I don't hold on to my contracts when I can notice the conditions we're in, because you're going to be in a consolidation. And yeah, it's aligned with the bias and it looks very high probability that it's going to get there, but fuck no, I ain't holding on to that. Everyone else is shitting their pants right now because they're fucking greedy as hell. I'm like, no, I know what it'll hit. It'll take out this right here. I have it literally delineated. It's beautiful. So I took mine off there. 2R, which isn't even bad. Which I lost 500, so this was a $2,000 trade, but I lost maybe more than 500 because this was 2K. Now I'm curious. I want to go look at my stats, so we're gonna go look at my statistics. Oh fuck me, Apex is turned off. Apex, you stupid bitch. There we go. All right, let's go to Trade Evade. Let's see if it'll be a dick fart today. I'll show you guys my statistics on this prop firm account. Let's see, launch. Where's my accounts? There they are. All right, so this is a PA. What the fuck? What is wrong with this stuff? So PA. Let's go to this month. Yeah. This month. Total profit. Oh, this month's not too good. Wait, why was this month this bad? Oh, it's counting my P. It's counting my fucking when I take the trades off. That's interesting. Oh, it's counting my all time. Let me just do this is the actual count. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how my winning trades are so little. That's fucking stupid. But yeah, this should be way higher in my opinion. Only my stats. I don't know. Give me time. The stats will be at like 70, almost 70%. I didn't do too good this month. But yeah, I could see that foreshadowing. Yes, is getting held. Really not sold yet, to be honest. It's invalidated. We'll probably go to lows if we go take out this. But I should still see it support. Price action. And I'll tape read this.